The Hedgehog by J.J. Bell. The hedgehog sleeps beneath the hedge, as you may sometimes see, and I prefer it sleeping there to sleeping here with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That's the pledge to the flag, and sometimes students say the pledge before they start school. So now we're ready to start school. Well, today we're going to learn a new letter. And that letter is very special to me. It's a letter that I write a lot, and that's because that letter is in my name. The letter is the letter H. And since my name is Holly, I have a letter H in my name. So here we have a picture. The picture is a little hedgehog. The hedgehog is there because hedgehog starts with H. Hedgehog sounds like and that is the sound that the letter H makes. So we can say H says as in hedgehog. H says and this is our capital H. And this is our little h. The cursive H's look very similar. Capital H, little h. And you see we have another hedgehog here. H says as in hedgehog. H says just like Holly. Holly is my name. And at the beginning of class, you saw that I had my hand over my heart. Now my hair is in the way. So what sound does the letter H say? H says as in hedgehog. H says okay. Here in our paper for lesson 28, match each picture to the letter with which it begins. So the first one is a light bulb. I believe the second one is milk. The third one is a tent. The second row, the first one on the second row, is a boat. The middle one is a nickel. And the last one is a hammer. So in each one of those pictures, match each picture to the letter with which it belongs. Down at the bottom it says, circle the vowels you hear in these words. The first picture is a kitten. Kitten. The middle picture is a frog. The last one on the top row is a hen. Hen. Down on the very bottom, the first picture is a duck. Somebody's coughing upstairs. A duck, and then the very last one is a rabbit. So circle the vowel you hear in the middle of those words. Let's start with numbers for lesson 28. First, we're going to count from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 is the last number in this set of cards. Now let's look at these numbers. We have the numbers 1 through 9. These are the numbers in the ones family because they just stand alone. Now look at these numbers. We have the numbers 10 through 19. This is the teens family. How do we know that these are in the teens family? Remember, because they all have a 1 on the left in the second place. This is the teens family. Okay, let's work on a little number recognition. Can you find the number 4? It is the smallest number on our plate. Find the number 4. Here it is. Okay, can you find the biggest number on our plate? It is the number 12. Where is the number 12? There it is. Can you find the number 7? Oh, here's the number 7. Number 7. Can you find the number 11? Here's the 11. Can you find number 8? This one is number 8. This is the number 5. And this is the number 6. Today we're going to learn something that I need the piano to teach you. Well, I don't need the piano, but this is how I learned my left hand from my right hand. Now, if you just look at me, then you'll get confused because we're facing each other. So I have to turn around. Now, when I turn around and I play the piano, I use this hand to play the low notes. I use this hand to play the high notes. Your left hand, this one, the left hand is the one that plays the low notes. Left, 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 left. And your right hand is the one that plays the high notes. Right, 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 right. Left, right, left, right. Can you do that with me? Play your left hand. Left. Now play your right hand. Right. Left hand. Right hand. One more time. Left hand, play the piano. Right hand, play the piano. Okay, now we're going to say a poem. And I'm going to stay turned around so you don't get confused. This is my left hand. I'll wave it up high. This is my right hand. I'll touch the sky. Left hand, right hand. Roll them around. Right hand, left hand. Pound, pound, pound. Hi guys. Let's start review for lesson 28 by singing our vowel song. A says ah, E says eh. I says I. O says ah. U says Now I know my vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A says ah. E says eh. I says I. O says ah. U says Now I know my vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now we're going to read some blends. Okay, we're going to start at the top and we're going to work our way to the bottom. Remember, we read each of them one at a time, and then we read it slowly, and then we put it together and read it fast. Ah, ma, o, le, b, be, t, ta. Excuse me. Let's do it again, but this time we're going to do it fast. Ma, le, be, ta. Good. Now let's move to the next side. We're going to do it again. One at a time, then slowly, then fast. Na, ha, te, b, ba. Okay, we're done for lesson 28. 2 Corinthians 9, 6 through 8. But this I say, he which soweth sparingly shall reap also sparingly, and he which soweth bountifully shall reap also bountifully. Every man according as he purposeth in his heart, so let him give, not grudgingly or of necessity, for God loveth a cheerful giver. And God is able to make all grace abound toward you, that ye, always having all sufficiency in all things, may abound to every good work. 2 Corinthians 9, 6 through 8.